Look for the split link on the chain. Take off the split clip and try not to lose it. Remove half of the link. Try not to drop that either. Take this apart. The chain tensioner will take the slack. The other half of the chain link away. And remove the chain. Remove the spring holding the chain tensioner and remove the collar. And slide the shaft out. You might need some persuasion. And the bottom shaft is the same. To replace the shaft, hold the spring down and the ticker up. Slide the shaft into the bearing all the way. Now the ticker should hold on there. And replace the bearing and the collar and tighten. When the chain's in place, use a spanner to hold the chain tensioner away from the chain. And the chain rounds all the way up using the joining link. Join the two together. The other half, the joining link. The clip, don't drop it. Clip that in place with the aid of a screwdriver.